I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you find yourself locked out of your T-Mobile account, follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the T-Mobile website. Go to the official T-Mobile website using your browser. Look for the login option at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, click the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the process of resetting your password. Step 3. Enter your phone number or email. Provide the phone number or email associated with your account. T-Mobile will send you a verification code to that number or email. Step 4. Check your messages for the code. Look for a text message or email from T-Mobile containing the verification code. Enter this code on the website to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. If you encounter any issues, double check that you're entering the correct phone number or email. Good luck, and I hope you be back in your account in no time.